When it comes to cybersecurity, the right desktop can make a big difference in how secure your personal information is. It's not just about choosing a powerful computer, it's about picking one that helps you stay safe from hackers, malware, and viruses. So here are some of the best desktops for cybersecurity. The first one is the Apple iMac, which it's known for its security features, especially with its built-in encryption and constant updates. The second one is the Dell XPS Desktop, which is great for running powerful cybersecurity software while offering solid protection against cyber threats. The third is the Microsoft Surface Studio, which has great security features with Windows Defender built-in and easy-to-use tools for securing your data. The fourth is Lenovo ThinkCentre, which is a reliable option, offering strong protection and customizable security settings. Lastly, HP Elite Desktop is designed with businesses in mind, making it secure and efficient as a choice for personal use as well. Each of these desktops has unique features to help you stay safe while browsing the internet. So choose one that best fits your needs and protect yourself from online dangers. Now, if you like this information, leave me a like. Love ya.